So for number 1, what we do is we first look at the equation we have. And the equation we have is dy over dx equals y squared minus 1. So the first thing I did is see when y equals 0, what would be dy dx. So if I come down here, dy dx equals 0 at y equals 1 or negative 1, because when you plug it back into the equation, you get 0. And at any places where y equals 0, for example, I took the point 1, 0, and 2, 0, your dy dx equals negative 1. So those are the first two characteristics I look for. I looked at where dy dx would equal 0, so that's at y equals 1 or negative 1, so there would be horizontal lines. So graph A has that right here. You can see all the horizontal lines coming across, but in C, it does not have that, neither does it have it in B or D. So to double check, I use the other points I took to see if it matches. So I took 1, 0 and 2, 0, and at any y equals 0 value, it's a negative slope of negative 1, so they should all be the same with the slopes going downward. And you can see that right here in A, it has, for all the y equals 0 values, it has a negative slope going downwards. So the graph that matches with that is A.